This keyboard doesn't just look awesome, it performs well as well. Okay, that might have sounded funny, but this keyboard is actually awesome. Look at the colors on this keyboard. This is the Mercury white version. I highly recommend this version because, I don't know, it just looks really, really cool. I usually like a darker theme, but the colors are just so nice on the white. But overall, whatever color you guys pick, this keyboard is just awesome. It functions perfectly. I love the clicks. And honestly, as a 60% keyboard, you really get used to it. There are 2 feet on the back of this keyboard that allow you to change the height of the keyboard. Overall, build quality of this keyboard is fantastic. Even though it is all plastic, it feels really solid. The keycaps are just fantastic, and the switches feel amazing as well. So I think this keyboard is fantastic. It looks great, looks premium, and it also makes some awesome sounds. Quick note, I forgot to mention that these are actually optical switches in comparison to mechanical switches, meaning that they actually have a faster response time. So this keyboard is perfect for anybody who plays any type of FPS or just needs that extra millisecond advantage for any type of competitive gaming.